Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying drive and enclosure compatibility. This avoids wasted time and possible damage. Remove static risk. Ground yourself or use a mat. Open the NVMe enclosure and identify the M2 standoff position. Align the drive at a shallow angle and press into the slot securely. Once done, set the screw to hold the module, then apply a thin thermal pad if the enclosure calls for it. Make sure connectors are clean before closing the case and fastening screws. You now connect the assembled NVMe enclosure to your computer. Use the fastest port available and confirm detection in disk management or system information. Initialize the disk as GPT for modern systems, then create a partition and format to XFAT for cross-platform use or NTFS for Windows-only performance. Once formatted, label the volume so you recognize it. Also enable USB or vendor drivers to reduce CPU load and raise transfer rates. Make sure firmware and OS drivers are up to date for best stability. You finish by optimizing for longevity and speed. Monitor temperatures and avoid long continuous writes that throttle performance. Use airflow, a thermal pad, or a metal enclosure to dissipate heat. Run a quick benchmark to confirm throughput meets expectations and adjust power settings to prevent sleep or aggressive throttling. If the drive does not appear, first power cycle the enclosure and reseat the module, then swap cable or port. Update the enclosure firmware or drivers, and if needed, test the NVMe internally to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.